Former Malaysian Prime Minister Najib Razak is making a last-ditch attempt to stay out of prison. His lawyers want to submit new evidence as the court begins hearing a final appeal to overturn his 12-year jail term in the corruption case linked to the multi-billion-dollar 1MDB scandal. CNA's Melissa Goh reports from the federal court in Putrajaya.
It's a five-member panel led by Chief Justice Tengku Maimun Tuan Mat that presided over Najib's final appeal hearing in the SRC international case. But before the main hearing began, the ex-Prime Minister's legal team, led by senior counsel Hisham Tepotek, raised that there's a real danger of bias by then High Court Judge, now Justice Muhammad Nazlan Ghazali, who convicted Najib of all 7 charges and sentenced him to 12 years imprisonment and 210 million ringgit fine, should not have heard the case because of possible conflict of interest. Now, Justice Nazlan, before he became a judge, was the general counsel of Maybank that was involved in setting up of SRC International. Now, had they known, the defense, he said, would have objected to his appointment.
If the additional evidence is admitted, it will give entirely different complexion to the findings made by His Lordship at the SRC trial. So the consequence will be, possible consequence will be, there might be a retrial because of this additional evidence.
But prosecutor argued that it's all part of delaying tactics by Najib's legal team. The defense knew about the evidence, they said, and did not object before the commencement of the trial.
We are saying this evidence that they say new is already before the court at the High Court. It's not new. There's nothing new in this fresh evidence application.
Now, the trial, he said, has suffered protracted delay since the case began in year 2018. Now, the Court of Appeal has upheld conviction and the sentence in December last year. Now, the federal court's 5-member panel is expected to decide whether to allow the admission of new evidence after hearing defense submission, when a hearing resumes on Tuesday at 9:30 a.m. Melissa Goh, CNA at the Palace of Justice, Putrajaya.